Welcome back to Click and Flow, your go-to channel for mastering modern productivity with the help of AI. Here we explore the smartest tools, shortcuts, and digital hacks that save you time, boost your creativity, and make your workflow unstoppable. Today, I'm about to show you an AI Chrome extension that literally turns your browsing into a productivity machine. Imagine typing a question into Google, and instead of scrolling through endless links, you instantly get a clear, summarized answer right in front of you. That's exactly what this extension does. Here's how it works. The extension quietly sits in your browser. Let's say you're searching for best AI video editors for beginners. Normally, you'd open 5 or 6 tabs, skim articles, and waste at least 20 minutes. But with this extension, you get the top recommendations summarized instantly, with links and use cases you can act on right away. And here's the plot twist. It doesn't just work for research. It can draft emails, create study notes, and even generate step-by-step workflows while you're browsing. It's like having a personal assistant built into your browser. But here's where it gets wild. If you combine it with a note-taking AI tool, everything you search for gets automatically stored, organized, and tagged for future use. You're not just browsing anymore, you're building a personalized knowledge base without lifting a finger. So instead of spending hours lost in tabs, you're saving time, reducing stress, and actually creating a digital brain that works while you do other things. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI hacks, and let me know in the comments, what's the one browser extension you can't live without?